कि Sorkar Assam bat Meghalaya kila menjur ban shime ke senjam ke badan kam ban pentik na ba ki briew ba ki kali ki nyat suk bat shngaiñ hapadeng ki arjala hadin ka jinga kan at ka balajia hashlong haga kendai trik nailar ya kan ka rai la shim ha ka jinga lang jong ki art Sorkar jala ka balalong ha koina dhara state guest house Guwahati ha ka art trik nailar kat kum ukur wo bala pha ka DIPR ki ar Sorkar kin penthik na bakayat ka ieng ki kali na kabenta shaphang shathi South ka jala Assam bat ki weipat ki jala kintup iki kali ki bawan na Barak Valley lingba Meghalaya kumju ru on penkhre na kabenta ki briew ki balai na Meghalaya she ki weipat ki benta jong ka jala lingba Assam ka jingalang la rai ru ban Thaw ya ka joint committee ka bakan thop ki officer transport ha ka kardan commissioner secretary na ki arjala ringkat economic khmat ki kinhun kali tourist kani ka committee kanyara ban penyat bat penbet ya ka jingya ki kali tourist bat penyadai ki jiman toy ki bayade bat ka kam jungo kai jong ki arjala ban penbet ki jing ki bami ha ki benta khaput hapdeng ki arjala on Thaw ru ki joint committee ha district level ki ba on kanthom ya deputy commissioner ka nongpo bat deputy commissioner ka kamrup metropolitan ringkat ki pulit ha ka kertan ka bayaha na ki art district ki ar Sorkar la menjuru ban Thaw ya ka rukam jinga trilang ka bakar pang hapdeng UIG special branch Assam bat UIG law and order Meghalaya ringkat ki helpline bakar pang bat ka online support forum banyarap iki briew ki badan kam jingarap
A joint committee comprising the Commission on Scheduled Level Transport Authorities of both the states, along with the representative of the tourist vehicle associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley through Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.